everyone, and welcome to Paperwork and Tell, where we make filling out forms and applications easy for everyone. Semwa Rahim on the mic, and I have an interesting one for you guys today. So, it's that time of the year when many of us are hustling to get our taxes done before the deadline. And depending on what kind of year you've had, your heart may be pounding when you get to that line that says amount owing or refund. Feels good when you get a refund though. You just want to go to work the next day and buy everyone Timbits. Or maybe not. What really happens when you get a refund? Getting a refund simply means you paid too much tax during the year. Then when you file your taxes, the CRA goes, looks like we took a bit much from this person. Well, here's some of your money back. By the way, thank you for the interest-free loan. You're the best. We love you. Bring it in. Hugs and kisses. Mwah, mwah. This was fun. Let's do it again next year. Same time and place. What if you decide no? You don't want to give the CRA that extra money from every paycheck. How do you take control of that situation? You can begin by watching this video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to apply to reduce the amount of tax your employer takes from every paycheck using Form T1213. Let's say you make $50,000 in a year and that's your taxable income. We are allowed deductions that can reduce our taxable income. So for example, things like medical expenses, daycare for your child, or your RSP contributions, to mention a few. Now, if you know what those deductions are going to be for the whole year, then you can add them up and shave that amount of your taxable income right away. So for example, if you know your allowed childcare expenses for the year will be $7,000 and your RSP contributions will be $2,000, so $9,000 altogether. You can then say to your employer, hey boss, please don't tax me on $50,000, tax me on $41,000 instead. This means you'll be paying less tax, which also means you'll be going home with a lot more money every payday. So you can't just walk up to your payroll at work and request that they tax you on a certain amount. It doesn't work that way. First, you have to fill out the T1213, the form, which is requesting permission from Canada Revenue to lower your taxable income and consequently reduce the amount of tax taken from every paycheck at work. As long as your taxes are up to date and you don't owe Canada Revenue any money and you have any of the deductions listed here, then give yourself a round of applause because you, my friend, can apply. A tax year is from January to December, so ideally you want your payroll department at work to begin taking less tax from your very first paycheck in January. Now, after you fill out and submit your T1213 application to Canada Revenue, it can take them up to 8 weeks for them to send you a response. Taking that into consideration, I recommend you apply within the month of October. You can begin your application from the comfort of your couch. The forms are online for easy access. With those questions out of the way, it's now time to take a look at the paperwork. Join me in part 2 of this video where we will download the forms and fill them out together.